You order something?
No.
Online? So
No.
you gotta deliver it for you, then you have to go inside and check the
Mom, it's gonna be something we're looking.
Kayo po talaga namin.
What's happening?
Yeah?
What is
Tingnan
this?
niyo po kung
Would you like to win seats?
What is it, Mom?
Before you pay? I don't know, I didn't
You want me to try? I have no mind.
How did you order online?
Mom, I didn't order anything. Mom, what is this? I'm so unhappy. Where am I going?
You have to open the book.
Why you do this? This is here.
You open the book. You open the book.
Mom, if it's something scary, I swear to God.
No, it's not really so scary.
It's scary.
I don't know what did you order.
I didn't order anything, huh?
You just look at it first.
Mom,
Maybe
is it
you're gonna
scary?
see it later.
If it's scary, yeah.
You just have to scream.
John, help me! She asking me to open something scary.
bubukas nito. Yes.
Yeah, you open now.
Yes.
Where?
Oh, it's here.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oh my God! Guys! Oh my God, this is
Happy birthday
These are the most recent photos of my
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Woo! Wow, I look like a model.
Yes.
Guys, I literally just posted this. What do you mean?
Yeah, we stole it from my Instagram.
Literally. All like modeling photos.
At meron tayong babat.
Which one?
Me.
You wrote this? Wow. Let me hear what my brother has to say.
Happy birthday, sister. Surprise. Hope you are clear.
Thanks, sir.
Life hasn't always been the best for you, but you're strong and you always find your way. I wish you the best wherever you find your heart. And even though you don't see
Wala tayong
nowadays, you know, I always got your back.
Oh,
Have
so
an
sad.
amazing day and send even more amazing life.
Wow. What a wordsmith. What a wordsmith.
Okay, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang aming mayroon tayong regalo sa kanya ng pagkain. Ayan, mayroong pinangat, empanada, spaghetti, puto, and barbecue, and bubble balloon, and
Okay.
bouquet. Yan, para ito sa iyo.
Okay, baby, we receive your bouquet.
Ayan, for you.
Come, I take picture.
The surprise, the umbrella. Yung ano ko yung tayo.
Yes, doon na tayo sa dahil umuulan na.
Take pictures of me.
Oh, okay.
Nice with the umbrella.
I think there's something. Come on.
Dahil maulan, yan. Oh, Yay! Happy birthday!
What is happening? What is this?
Surprise!
Guys, I'm rich. You can leave pesos when I'm leaving tomorrow.
It's your farewell party.
And Marie, I have money for you.
All right.
Alright.
Come, you stand in front of this thing.
Where do I go?
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sa'yo'y inilaan Alam mo na ang lahat. Talikod kaganda. At ang iyong kaarawan na sa araw. Di ko naman akalain na di mo inaasahan na ang tulad mo ay aking makilala. At umano ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo ng dalawa. Kapag ikaw naman ang isip ko, naman ang bawat panaginip ko, ikaw na lang tinitip mo ng puso kong ito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita na kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot kamay na kita mahal. Nais ko'y nagigap ko na, di ka rin nag-alilangan pa. Ikaw at ako hanggang wakas ay ang dalawa. Palagi kang naman ang isip ko, naman ang bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitipon ng puso kong ito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita na kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot kamay na kita mahal. Bigay ka ng may kapal. Bigay ka ng may kapal. Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba? Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay nababalisa. Pag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip, kundi ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko na ika'y kalimutan, ngunit hanggang ngayon'y di ko makakayanan. Pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan, sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Ano ko kaya masasabi